Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews Moose. Recently, I kind of have, well, somebody's at the door. Who could it be? It is Ace. Everybody, Ace has decided to join the review. You gonna behave today? Yeah? Okay. All right, so we've been on a kick of Boston Scally caps for almost 2 years now. I've tried other brands. I tried a couple funky brims, and I tried some of the ones from Shirt Show and a few others, and I did a review on some of the Amazon caps I had. I recently was introduced. I did a couple reviews on it already. I did the Red Rum, and I did the Backstop. And so I decided to order another Swisher Apparel cap, and I am really, really super impressed with the quality of these caps and the overall look. I ended up getting... Hey, I'm trying to do a review here, Ace. Yeah, I am. But anyway, I recently decided to get a Hollow Gatsby. And I must say, I got it in. I haven't tried it on yet. I did open the box because I got two other caps I'll be doing reviews on as well. And, but man, this cap here, it's got browns, dark browns, a little bit of orange, like tan in it. But this cap is absolutely beautiful. This is the cap here. And it even got the Swisher Apparel logo on the back there, as you can see. And of course, it's all stuffed. I haven't tried it on yet. And of course, it comes with stuffing. He steams these before he mails them out. And it's, I mean, just great looking cap. So I'm going to go ahead and take out this stuffing here. And I'm going to show you the inside. This is a 59 centimeter. Ace, my man. There you go, Swisher Apparel. And this is a nice, it's a firm cap. And definitely more of like a warmer or cooler weather cap. I'm going to go ahead and do the brim a little bit on this one here. I'm going to show you a close-up of it on, or a close-up of it before I try it on. And get right back to you. But yeah, that's a beautiful looking cap. Love the colors. And I think Ace does too. Do you like it too, Ace? You want to try it on? No, you don't like it on? Okay. We'll put it on in there. I might even add you in the little thumbnail there with a picture of the cap on. But yeah, the browns look great. Matches my sweatshirt, my hoodie. I know I wouldn't wear this with it, but because this definitely seems like it's more of a nicer cap. Fancy cap. All right, so we're going to go and try it on. Or we're going to go show you close up, and then we'll try it on. Right, Ace? All right. All right, so here's a close-up of the Hollow Gatsby by Swisher Apparel. Nice looking cap. Got the nice browns in there. Got the tans. It's almost like a gray in that area. Blacks, browns. Got the button on the cap. The brim is black. And this is Swisher Apparel. 59 centimeters, which is my head circumference. The Swisher Apparel pin on the back for the logo. But that is a beautiful cap. Beauty. It's a beaut. It's a beaut, Clark. How about that? All right. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it. We're going to try this bad boy on and see what it looks like on this big old noggin I got. I'll be right back, everybody. All right, so now that we got the, showed you a close-up of what it looks like, we're going to go try this puppy on. What do you think? Make sure I got everything all right. Oh, that fits perfect. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. There it is. The Gatsby, the Hollow Gatsby by Swisher Apparel. Ace's tail's in the way. Man, oh man. Get that little fluff out right there. I didn't really do much. Man, that is a beautiful cap. Highly if anybody wants to try something other than Boston Scally or some of the other companies, I have yet to get a Peaky Caps one or a Peaky cap yet from them. I am looking at a few caps from them as well. And but yeah, this Hollow Gatsby, this thing is sick. Huh, my wife's gonna dig this one. Yes, she will. That is a great cap. And again, you got that little button on the back for the Swisher logo, Swisher Apparel logo. Yeah, highly recommend this one. I'll put a link in the description for this. Again, this is the Swisher Apparel Hollow Gatsby. Beautiful cap. Super impressed with this one. Let me guys know what you guys think of this cap. Man, oh man, it is nice. Nice. Wowzers. All right, everybody. Again, let me know what you guys think about this cap. And I got a couple others ones I'll be doing a review on in the next few days. But again, Swisher Apparel, Hollow Gatsby. Ace is ready to, he's wanting his rubs. And like I said, the only time he ever comes in this review room is when I'm in here. Any other time of the day, he's hiding somewhere else or laying on the couch. But when I'm in here, he just wants to be in here. But again, reviews and moves, please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time, everybody.